In this section, we are going to create the Wow Facebook emoji. To start, we need to open our project file. Go to File, then Open, or use the shortcut Ctrl+O. Look for the Wow folder, then choose your version and open the file. Use the space keyword to have that little hand that will help you to grab the artboard and move it in the way that will make creating the project easier for you. Now we need to open the Swatches Palette which I create for that specific course. So look for the Swatches Palette, and if you can't find it here, go to Window, then look for Swatches and make sure it has a check mark like mine. Now go to Swatches, left click here, then go to the bottom, hover your mouse over the Open Swatches Library, then go and click in Other Library and search for the source files. I have them here in my desktop. Source files. Look for the basics folder, choose your version and select the FB emoji colors, and here we have our FB emoji colors swatches. Now what we need to do is first start creating the circle, then we will create the mouth, then the eyes, and we will finish by creating the eyebrows. To create the mouth, we will use the Ellipse Tool. Go to your toolbar, select the Ellipse Tool, you'll find it here, then click on your artboard. In the pop-up window, put 100 pixels both in the width and height, then click OK. Now we need to put the yellow color for the fill. Make sure the circle is selected. Go to your swatches and select the yellow color. If you had a problem with the stroke, for example like that, you give it a color. Stroke, select the stroke. I'm just explaining if you face a problem with the stroke appearing. All you need to do is selecting the circle, click on stroke, then choose none. So you will have only the fill color for the circle here and put the yellow color. So now that's all. We finished our first video in that section. See you in the next video.